Let's talk a little bit about how you can understand your GCP bill. Whenever I log into a GCP project, I'm in the habit of always looking at this card over here called billing. In the billing card, I can see the current amount of money I've spent for this particular project for the current month. I generally have a pretty good idea of how much money I'm going to spend in a project. So if that number looks unusually large, then I want to investigate why. I look here under billing, and it says in my demo project here, I've spent $7.78. Now I'm wondering why I spent that money. So if I click here, View Detailed Charges, it'll take me into the billing section where I can look at the reports. So if you notice down here, this is showing me day by day which services I've spent money on, and it breaks each service down, and we can scroll down a little bit and there's a table which shows us our detail. And this is the detail of every service that I've spent money on and how much that service has costed me, sorted as you would want it to be sorted by cost in descending order. Over here under filters, you can filter by different date ranges. You can also add in additional projects as well. So this is the project I'm currently looking at. Another project that I use pretty frequently is my project with the ID Doug Renstrom. So I might want to add that in as well. But anyway, just notice all that information is easily accessible to you. Now, if you're a manager and you manage many projects, you might want to look at the cost table here. The cost table allows you to pick a billing account for an invoice month, and then down below here it's showing you every project that is under that billing account and the amount of money spent in each project. And then if you like, you can expand a particular project and it'll break it down by service. And one last thing I would recommend that you do, under budgets and alerts, what you can do is easily set up what's called a billing alert. So you can go into a project and create a budget, and then you can specify an amount. So the amount could be $50 or $5 or $5,000, depending on what you're working on within that project. And then you can configure alerts on percentages of that budget. And then whenever you hit the percentage of that budget, it'll send you a notification and you will know you've hit that threshold. Anyway, this was just a quick demo on how you can understand your billing in a Google Cloud project. This is Doug Renstrom with ROI Training.